Dahil blackout ngayon, magmumukbang kami. Tell them, there's no electricity, so we will just eat together.
Yeah, but someone has to fix the wine.
So excited, so bukas magmumukbang
It's
kami.
not that super spicy. Okay.
Wait, I thought you love ate. You're not so me yaman. Ah.
You're not buying that food. Pull it.
Ay, subo ito. Tim, Tim, I asked you a while ago, I said, do you want to go to America?
No.
To China?
No.
Japan?
No.
Korea?
No.
Why?
Because I want to stay with you. Stay with you.
Why do you want to stay with ate?
Because you're pretty.
Titi, why you love ate?
Because you're so pretty and
Why are you walking away?
I'm with you.
Mm.
I'm with you.
Mm.
I'm with you.
Tim, always remember that ate loves you, okay?
I lost my memory.
You lost your memory?
No. Last day
Christmas?
last day I lost my memories.
Of what?
I don't remember you. But I will still love you. I still have memories.
Who lost his memories though?
yeah, ada pa alas birthday dito mo. Memory ko lang. I was still lang.
You mean even though you will lose your memory, you will still love ate?
Why am I here like that?
Oh, I remember. Who's your best friend?
Jimmy Ming and Ate.
Jimmy Ming and ate?
How about your friend? Jessie. How about Jessie?
That's what info is with that.
You see,
Jimmy Ming eat it. He's trying to eat the food. Look at it. He's trying to want to eat the food. Look. I saw the.
you come here. I subo you.
Hey, wait. Ate.
Come here. You see.
Hey, Ate. Jimmy Bird tried to eat the food. He just saw.
Hala, you bring it here.
I'm gonna put that him, huh? Wait, what?
You bring that here. Oh,
What is it? Oh yeah.
not the cat. Why you throw him?
Because he tried to eat that food.
Oh, come here. I will subo you. Come here, P. I will subo you. It's so loud.
Labo, yung sumpukan. Si Chimpi.
We're vlogging.
Kung may kara. Dali natin niya. Bro. Ang dali natin niya.
Block out namin sila, ya?
Wait, Kuya John,
Pero sila, tumabi ko, dictionary pa sa tarde, sabay tarde pa.
you gonna babay?
Dictionary pa nila.
Is he gonna go home?
Baka naman dyan.
Don't touch it. Bang.
Ang dala na.
With daw, opo.
May pula yung kumi, kami na yan.
Nakiura yan, naipo sila komi. Tapos pera nga sila.
Pero sila dito.
Hinay lang to, kore, kaya mo palang tiya komi. Pi, abri anay kong kuya dyan, Pi.
Yeah.
I want to listen to your song, the pretty song. You tell it.
I don't remember
Share.
it.
The song you sing for ate. Yeah. No, not that one. The one you say when you say I'm your best friend.
Ate is my best friend. Ate is my best friend. You're the great friend of me. Are you falling? You're
Oh, yeah.
I really don't like sauce, Oli. I wash my hands already out there.
Wash again.
I already washed it already.
Last time.
Okay. What after you use water and soap?
Yeah.
I wash it with soap and water.
Yeah.
Am I you're gonna use my hand to get that?
Okay.
What is the leaves here?
It makes it more delicious.
Okay. Okay, where is this it belongs to his body?
I don't know.
Let's do it in your phone later, okay?
Hmm. I think you will need knife. We'll put you here. Dahil blackout ngayon, magmumukbang kami. Tell them, there's no electricity, so we will just eat together.
Yeah, but someone has to fix the one.
The what?
Someone has to fix the one, like that one.
Oh, the electricity source.
Yeah. Oh my god, it.
You get that one?
Ah!
So, Chim, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal. Crocodile.
Why?
Because the crocodile has the coolest bite. Wait, what is it? Crocodiles live
In the lake.
at the lake. What's the Alka Lake? You remember that movie is called Luca?
Not Alka Lake. Lake.
I think I'm saying the lake. You remember that movie I keep saying? It's called Luca's Arch Enemy.
Luka or Puka?
Uka. Uku. Wait. Uka. Uka is from the movie called Uka. Yeah, Uka is a boy, but he has a best friend named Romeo.
Romeo.
No. What's it called? Romeo, and your arch enemy is named Akale. It's the one I keep saying that.
Sus martilyo tali.
Hindi ako siya. Kampanera ka na alam.
Sus tali ko mo tulog.
So, hi guys. Welcome here yung father ko. Pang-mami. Ito, kilala kita sa vlog ko.
Hi guys.
Support
You're such a crazy man.
Or boring that my TV.
What?
GP oh.
Dahil kami galaman.
What about my plate there? It's like there.
You can do it.
I got sick.
Good job. My turn.
Okay. Wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, now. Si ate.